So a while back I made this pistol crossbow, and then I made specific small bolts for it, but it also can be used with pencils, and I guess pens too. So I think I'm gonna have some fun with that, and I have another crossbow too that I want to try out with pencils. This is that self-cocking pistol crossbow I made a while ago. So you just grab here, and this is a little lever. You pull back, and it draws back the bow. Pretty easy, also pretty cool. And this is what we're gonna be shooting with first. We'll be shooting out a box first, and then increase the difficulty of the target each time. Damn, that actually hit pretty hard, okay. If you wanted to see, here's how much each one penetrated. It's just cardboard, so next I have an idea to increase the penetrating power. So these are the 3 pencils I shot. You can see none of them have particularly sharp tips, so obviously I'm going to sharpen them, but a traditional pencil sharpener only has 1 angle, and it would be similar to this. So what I'm going to do instead is take sandpaper and sharpen it with an even steeper angle so that they'll penetrate better, hopefully. Okay, now I've upped the target material. We're using 1/4-inch birch plywood. So the pencil did break, obviously, because this is a much harder material, but you can see where it hit, and that is not super deep, but maybe like 1/4 inch, a little less. So this is that same spot on the back. You can see it did make like a little bit of an exit wound. I think once I use one of the sharper pencils, I might be able to get all the way through. For this next shot, I'm using this one that I really try to thin down, and then it's pretty pointy too, so we'll see how it goes. The lead and the pencil's pretty destroyed. This one on the left, I'm 99% sure is where I hit, and I can actually show you that it is where I hit, because look at this. That is the pencil lead, or the graphite. So that's actually pretty accurate for shooting pencils out of a homemade crossbow. Okay, so next I'm gonna try something a little more dumb, a little less smart. This is a bigger crossbow. It's quite a bit more powerful. If you look here, here's the spring that holds down any arrow you put in there. And this back part is where the trigger comes up to release the string. So I think it should be able to shoot these. Oh, and for reference as to how this crossbow works, I'm gonna shoot one of the homemade bolts I made for this crossbow so you can see what it will do. That is our spot we hit, and on the back, and this is what it looks like on the back. That is the pencil lead coming out of the back. It is pretty deep in there. That's pretty much like the whole first 3/8 inch of that pencil. So 3, 2, 1. Didn't explode, but there definitely was shrapnel, but I don't know where the shrapnel came from because this seems pretty intact. Anyways, here is the crater. And if you want to see more about this little pistol crossbow, there's a video where I do a little showcase of it. And that's about it. Thanks. Bye. Hold on. Look at that hole.